Are you struggling to grow your Telegram referral network? Relying on Telegram alone won't cut it anymore. Imagine reaching out on WhatsApp or Messenger. Initiate friendly conversations, not just link drops. Try this. Hey, I use this Telegram bot that pays me daily. Want to see how? Engage them with your story and experiences. Don't send out individual messages aimlessly. Create personal broadcast lists on WhatsApp. Update a small group privately about your earnings. Consider forming small earning groups on either platform. Regular updates build trust and encourage referrals. Showcase results through visuals. Share screenshots or short videos of your success. Visual proof builds credibility much faster than text. Use status features on WhatsApp and Messenger. Show daily earnings and ease of use. Add a call to action. DM me if interested. Follow up gently with potential referrals. Check in often and share updates without pressure. Avoid spamming, respect their boundaries. Building a good reputation is crucial for return referrals. As a bonus, offer help to newcomers. Assist them with setup or first steps. Thoughtful communication can effectively grow your network. Share personal experiences, use visuals, and follow up. Avoid spamming, and watch your Telegram referrals flourish. Get started today and see the growth.